Pinoy Big Brother personality, pumirma na ng kontrata, ang kanyang saloobin tingnan ng mga detalye. Ikinatuwa ng kanyang mga fans at supporters ang latest na kaganapan sa kanyang career. Ang personalidad na ito ay nakilala at sumikat sa reality show ng ABS-CBN na Pinoy Big Brother. Bilang isa sa mga bituin ng kapamilya na pinili para pumirma sa kontrata sa kanyang network ngayong taon, hindi mapigil ni Angie Salvacion na balikan ang kanyang simpleng simula bago siya naging big winner ng Pinoy Big Brother Season 10. Sa kanyang pagpirma ay present ang mga ABS-CBN bosses kasabay din ang pagpirma ng ibang mga kapamilya. Sa kanyang pagbabahagi ay sinabi, "My heart is just filled with gratefulness with everyone who believe in me. Grabe yung pinagdaanan ko kasi simula nung pangarap kasi ako, iba kasi dun sa Siargao. Parang akala mo na hindi natutupad yung pangarap mo kasi in Siargao before, it was really remote and parang hindi siya masyadong reachable. Kaya nung time na nag-reach in yung Idol Philippines, I remember then that how eager I was to reach my dreams and I'm just so blessed and I'm so lucky to have my family who really supported me. Talagang tinawid kami papuntang Siargao and grabe, I owe everything to them." Sa kanyang IG post ay sinabi din niya na, "From my humble beginnings to where I am now, I'm proud to have been part of the ABS-CBN family. Being given the opportunity to showcase my talents is truly humbling. I'm thankful and grateful for the trust that has been given to me. To bosses of ABS-CBN, a huge thank you for giving this opportunity and I promise to make the most of it and make sure that your trust in me will not be wasted. I would also like to thank my Star Magic Philippines and Star Pop PH family for my talent." Nagkwento rin ang 20-year-old ng mag-aawit at pagpasok pa lang ng aktres tungkol sa kanyang pagiging laging nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng biyaya sa kanyang natanggap sa buhay at karera simula nang maging bahagi siya ng ABS-CBN. Sa dagdag pa niyang pahayag, "I would describe it as a memorable and full of sunshine, although not all the time it's sunshine. The sun is always shining but at the end of the day, I'm always so grateful that I have a really great core and great roots. And although my family, hindi lang naging nasa ibabaw tayo, minsan bumababa din tayo. Minsan may downs din tayo but they never ever forgot and they never ever told me to give up. And they are the ones who always push me and say, you know you're already here, just know and they were always here for you. And looking back, I'm just so grateful and this journey of mine will always be in my heart and I will always treasure it forever." Matapos magbagong anyo bilang isang mang-awit noong unang bahagi ng taon sa paglabas ng kanyang pinakabagong single na Paraiso, sinabi ni Angie na naniniwala siyang marami pa siyang dapat marating sa industriya na unti-unting kinakaya ng mas madali kada araw. Anong iyong komento kaugnay dito? Shoutout tayo kay na Gloria Anarisa, kay Jocelyn Pacheco at kay Natito Turingan. I-comment mo lang ang inyong opinion sa comment section at huwag kalimutang i-like, i-follow, i-subscribe ang bcgram.net para sa mga latest happenings.